Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Noise Buds Solo true wireless earphones with ANC. Now, this is the front side of the packaging and we can see how the product looks like. And there's one important feature that they'd like to highlight, which is the ANC feature of this earphones. ANC stands for Active Noise Cancellation. Now, on either side, you have a little bit of branding as well as the Make in India or rather Design in India message. There's nothing on the top. On the bottom, you have some specifications as well as the manufacturer's contact information. On the back side, we have a couple of more features that they'd like to highlight. We'll go through those one by one. First is that this thing features hybrid ANC. We'll come to know what that is once we read the user manual to understand exactly how it functions. Then it has a triple mic system. There's something called as a transparency mode, which means you can hear through the ANC. So the ANC will ensure that whatever's important will be heard by you. Then you have in-ear detection, which means it can figure out whether it's been put in your ears. There's a playtime of 36 hours and it features something called hypersync. And that's it for all the features on the back side. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Coming to the ear tips, these are always in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed. Then you have the charging cable, some documentation. First of which happens to be the user manual. Always read through this. This way you can understand all the unique features that the device advertises, and also you'll get operating instructions to work the device properly. Then there's a little thank you note as well as some discount off your next purchase. Then there's another note, which is basically a quick start guide giving you rapid instructions in case you don't want to read through the entire manual. But we'd advise you to read through the manual anyways. The last accessory happens to be the charging cable. This thing's about 30 centimeters long and it uses a USB Type-C interface on one side and the normal Type-A interface on the other. Finally, we have the earbuds themselves. These come in a nice packaging which doubles up as additional battery backup. There's markings on the stem indicating whether it's for your right ear or your left ear, which is anyway kind of obvious because these only go in one way. The charging tips are at the bottom and you'll have golden contacts on the inside of this little chamber over here. So that's how you charge the device. And once you pull it out, you also have left and right markings on the inside. It's a nice LED indicator at the bottom, right next to your charging port. So the moment you open up the case, it lights up, giving you an indication of how much charge the device has. Then there's the charging interface right next to it, followed by a little button. That's it for the unboxing of the Noise Buds Solo earbuds with the ANC feature. Thank you for watching.